students can be benefited. So now I would like to introduce all the four speakers of the evening. I'll read it out for you. First and foremost, I would like to invite architect Anushri Jain Gupta madam from Kota. She did
Hello,
her graduation. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome
good
on
evening.
board.
Good evening.
Yeah. She did her graduation in architecture from College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar in 1999 and gained experience working as a government employee as an architect in Macon Limited, which is a subsidiary of SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. She is co-founder of Srijan Architects, a multidisciplinary architectural, structural and interior design firm based in Mumbai and Kota. Srijan Architects has designed and successfully completed execution a number of residential and commercial complexes, hospitals, residences, offices, showrooms, clinics, landscape garden in Jaipur, Kota, Bundi, and many towns in Hadoti region. She is a member of Architecture and Interior Design Association and former vice chairperson and currently an executive member of IIA Raisan Chapter Subcenter, Kota. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Next speaker is a very dynamic and a classy person with us, Architect Kshitij Manu. He is a graduate from one of the leading academic institutes of our country, MNIT, in the year 2002. He is principal architect of K. Manu and Associates, Jaipur. He is inspired by the statement, architecture is actually the frozen music. Frozen signifying stability, rigidity, and concrete character to the design, while music highlighting dynamism and fluidity as an integral aspect of any design procedure, achieving by juxtaposing various functional and aesthetic elements. According to him, this is an era of design. The design philosophy of his firm is in sync with the changes currently occurring in design profession and industry. It suggests new, unique way of thinking and working. KMA firmly believes that ideally the design should become a catalyst for all designers who seek excellence in interior design practice. It will not be an exaggeration that KMA has made a commitment to sustained excellency and continually move a professional forward. Kshitij Manu also serves on a post of on honorary secretary with Triple ID Jaipur chapter. I welcome you, sir. Next speaker is a young lady from Jodhpur, architect Nupur Jain. She did her graduation from Ayojan School of Architecture, Jaipur, so she is somewhere connected to Jaipur also. She is an architect, interior and landscape designer. Her field of interest are thematic interiors, landscape design, retail interiors, recycling and reusing materials, space design, and material masking. She is a co-founder of Ravi and Nupur Architects, and her husband, architect Ravi Jain, is also from Ayojan. He's also an alumni from Ayojan. The firm's portfolio is diverse, one that includes design of individual residences, residential schemes, townships, offices, institutions, residential interiors, commercial showrooms, restaurants, cafes, to name a few. She has been featured by Insight magazine in residential and commercial interior design category, Joy of Building, Homes of Rajasthan, Interior and Decor. According to her, architecture is an art of creating spaces for a soulful design. I welcome you, ma'am, on behalf of IIA Raisan chapter. Last but not the least, our very young and dynamic architect from Udaipur, architect Sunil as Ladda Saab. He has a very big, profile, but I just highlighted some of the lines. He did his graduation in 1997 from Pillai's College of Architecture, Navi Mumbai. He is HFE. Sunil sir, please don't mind. I will be asking you the full form of
Sure.
So HFE is Human Factor Engineering, Consultant and Control Room Designer. So sir, what's that control room designer? That's a question. We'll take it in the question and answer session.
Sure.
He has constructed buildings all over the globe. He developed himself as technical workshop coordinator and convener. His completed project comprises of 400 plus residences, 300 plus control rooms, 12 schools, 4 hotels, 3 hospitals, and 1 corporate guest house. So it's very, very interesting that you have filtered on and brought the number exact. He presented many seminars on various aspects of control room at ISA. He delivers lectures and conduct workshops for school children, teachers, college students, and corporate. And all this for free as a contribution to the society. Wonderful, sir.
Thank you, sir.
He co-authored with a friend a book, Einstein's Tongue. He did a road trip to London by car. His goal is to contribute towards society at large by virtue of space design that can redefine lives. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Hello, all. Chapter. So, with permission to chair, I believe we should start with our first presentation. So, I'll request Architect Anushri ma'am to start with the presentation. Ma'am, would you like to share on your own or should I share it for you?
Yeah, I will share my own.
Okay, so I'll make you presenter just a moment. And I'll request all the participants to please put in all the question and answers, all the queries in question and answer box only, because it will be easy for us to take questions from there. Ma'am, now you are host.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah. So now you can share.
Yeah. Thank you, Gauravji, for your introduction. And it's a great honor to be part of this platform with such a interesting portfolio, having panelists and here very good evening to Galendra sir and Mukul Goyal sir. He has joined in recently, I think.
Can we have a louder voice, ma'am, please? Sorry.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I am audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a great to be a part of this knowledge sharing platform. So here I have to share my one project that I feel very much in context with this particular Vocal on Local series. So shall I start the screen sharing thing?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Just a moment. Yeah. So we have a firm named Srijan Architects, and by the name Srijan also, you can understand our philosophy behind this vocal for local thing. We are more into local. And to sum up in one word, we can say the timeless design is the philosophy. Timeless, by timeless we mean that it has to be with the times in the contemporary context as well as with the future and inspiring from the past experiences. I hope I am audible. Should I increase the volume?
No, ma'am, perfectly audible.
Okay, thank you. So with the timeless design, and I, as introduced by Gauravji, that we have been practicing and have
Madam Anushri ma'am. Anushri ma'am, you can close your webcam because I think a bandwidth is making an issue. We cannot hear you. Anushri ma'am, can you hear me? Please switch off your webcam and let the audio come.
Can I suggest, Gaurav, if we can take Anushri later and we can give the chance to the second speaker?
Fine.
I think she has some issues with the internet connection.
Yeah. Anushri ma'am, please make me host.
Yeah.
And please somebody call her.
Yeah. Yes, Anushri ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption. I don't know what happened. And I hope now I am audible.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
now
are.
it's better. Now it's
Yeah.
better.
But I would suggest that you stop your video so
You stop your video, ma'am.
your
Okay, you
voice
share
can
it.
come through.
Okay.
Gaurav, can you do it for Anushri?
Yeah. Anushri, ma'am.
Yeah. So I
Uh,
should not share, no? You will share it.
No, I'll share the screen. That's not an issue. You just switch off your webcam and let your mic be on. You
I've
please
done
make
that,
me.
sir. Sir, I've
Yeah,
done.
okay. So, madam, please make me host.
So
Shweta,
you are the host, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
But it says ki.
So okay. So sir, can you share the screen, my slide?
Just a moment. Just a moment. Shweta, madam, please make me host.
Sir, you are the host, sir.
No, I am not host. Anushri ma'am is host and you are co-host.
So you can share the screen. You are the host, sir.
Yeah, now I can. Thank you. Sorry for this hitch, everyone. I apologize for it. And let's start with the presentation of Anushri. Anushri ma'am, good to go. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And
Please, ma'am.
this
Go ahead.
was the first slide.
Yes,
I think we can move over to the second slide.
Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
we can move over to the second
Yeah,
slide.
please.
Second slide.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello again, everyone. And we were discussing that I'm showcasing a project of mine that is a hospital campus at a small place like Kelwada. So here we can see that we have to. It's a very elongated plot. Its size is approx 130 feet in the frontage and it's 630 feet in the length. So that was a constraint. It was a challenging thing, but we worked out it like that. The first building block is to be the hospital. That is to be the main, has to be such that it attracts the very qualified doctors to come into these places. We have to develop the villages and that thing, and we get the opportunity for the development of this place. And here you can say the zoning and all the requirements from this. Are you able to see the pointer? Okay, the entrance is such that it's, yeah, thank you very much, sir. Ambulance facility, and this is the only the waiting area, main waiting area. We have kept it such that to maintain now with the COVID times, social distancing and all the things, and the public checkpoints and the private checkpoints. We can move on to the next slide. So this is the total visibility of the campus. Here we can get from in the starting, we have the hospital block, and then it's attached to that hospital, the main doctor it's a project being handled by a single doctor, and his residence is situated so that nearby, and after that we have provided all the resident doctors and staff community accommodation, and with all the amenities that has to be for like playgrounds and other things. We can move on to the next slide. So here you can see the segregation of spaces in the internal planning that we are going through. It's the reception area that we can see further. Next slide, please. Next, yeah. These are the interior views. The corridors we have kept as per the 8 feet width and the social distancing and all those. Next slide, please. This was a challenging aspect. This is a south facing thing, and we just initial design was coming out to be something like this. We wanted to be a double heighted structure so that it's visible from a distance. Next slide, please. But it wasn't looking appealing. And this we went in for this solution. This is a curtain, or you can say that to harsh weather conditions, it's a creative solution. We went in with a jali facade, and it's also the Rajasthani style. We have been using the verandas and everything. So that was the thing that we wanted to achieve through this aspect, that a contemporary context jali, which will be sort of prefabricated, and we want to achieve this thing. Next, you can see the other side of the jali details. It's the entrance. So we are going in for a glass facade, but with the veranda space and a jali, the sheer weather conditions are to be maintained. Next, please. This is the front facade. So what we wanted, that this landscaping we have provided for the comfort of the patients and the aesthetic appeal also. The next also you can check this thing. This is a pharmacy is also visible from here. So, and the lab collection and everything is there. So next also, in this slide also, you can check this. It's a mother care hospital for maternity and child care purposes. And the parking areas, and we have kept the segregation of spaces like this. From this, you can go and check out the cafeteria. I hope you are able to see on the right corner, terrace, for the purpose of recreation and other things. And the waiting spaces have been kept in sync with the social distancing norms. Earlier also we were designing it like this, and now with COVID times we can say that yes, we have done it like that. Next slide, please. This is the plan of the doctor's residence. And the next slide, please. Next slide, please. This is the front facade of the doctor's residence, and here in this view you can have a look at the total campus with all the facilities and this thing. And this is construction underway, and you can see as that the front facade we have constructed of the necessary elements in RCC, and we will be going in for the prefabricated of that jali structure. Next slide, please.
Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Yeah.
So I think that's all on this, ma'am. Anushi, ma'am, thank you so much for the insight given on this project. And now I would quickly ask Kshitij to. Kshitij, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes, Anushi, ma'am, thank you so much for your presentation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Now we are moving to the next.
Hello.
We are moving to the next participant, ma'am. Kshitij ji, are you able to see the screen?
हाँ मैं चलाऊं भैया?
अच्छा, मतलब I mean you wish to share the screen on your own?
हाँ आप बताओ.
तो मैं इसको स्टॉप शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Kshitij.
मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर हो गया?
Just a minute. नहीं. I mean, I'm making you the presenter. Shwetanand, there's some problem, I believe, because I'm not a host.
I know, sir.
So, shall I share Kshitij for you, please?
I think he'll be able to share, sir. All panelists can.
Okay.
Yes.
Kshitij, I think good to go.
Yes, sir.
Kshitij, sir?
मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. First of all, Gyanendra sir, Gaurav boss, Mukul sir, thank you very much. I express my deep gratitude to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to share my architectural journey on this esteemed platform. My architectural practice till now has been quite satisfying and interesting too. And for this reason, only I want to discuss a particular project. I truly believe architecture is frozen music, where frozen signifying stability and concrete character, while music signifying flow and dynamism. And just as in music, we have 7 notes, I have self-imposed 7 guiding principles to incorporate in my architectural design. It's like when in doubt, go to guide principles. And for this reason, only I won't discuss a particular project. Rather, I shall discuss here my 7 go-to principles: scale, form, geometry, surface, detail, material, and luxury. You see, this building, I very much inspired by this building. This building fulfill my all criteria. This have scale, form, geometry, surface, detail, material, luxury. मैं आज बात करूंगा कि कैसे चीजें मुझे इंस्पायर करती हैं और मैं कैसे काम करने का प्रयास करता हूं. All of you know this is scale J1 Canon. We are fascinating in true sense by the scale of the building, whether it's either too huge or it's too small. Largest cannon of the world, always been an inspiration to build something out of normal human capabilities. This is a restaurant we have designed, signifying scale in the restaurant project, usually unassociated with such a scale of space. It's also inspired from Jaipur theme, as a interestingly light pattern imitates Jaipur arch pattern. These patterns I have imitated with light. Second is form. Architecture is not based on concrete and steel and the elements of the soil. It's based on wonder. 1938 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic Coupe. Beautiful design. Architecture, and I firmly believe form plays an important part in creating that wonder. We have created this farmhouse. Very simple. We have given 2 rooms and we have created this, the bold form. Jane is design our glory, our satisfaction, but जाने अनजाने हम धरती का लैंडस्केप लिख रहे होते हैं. Geometry. All of you know this is designed by sculptor Vladimir Tatlin Tower, based on theory of design's principle constructivism, and I am very much fascinated with constructivism. You see, this is a small plan, all square. Only one tilted line changes all the form of this space. You can see one slant or tilted line how affect a geometry or design that a square periphery doesn't look right angle from any side. Surface. The urban surface is dynamic and responsive, like a catalytic emulsion. The surface literally unfolds events in time. Sun Temple, Konark. Very much fascinating for me. I have just designed a facade with the play of light, cut pieces, levels. Detail. Fifth thing is detail. Aesthetics live in detail. Details is only word that can allow us to innovate and create something which can be repeated. Wonderful detailed carved cabinet. We have just designed a jewelry showroom and first used that turquoise color in this showroom. See the design. Gold and turquoise combination, the detail of floor, details everything. Crystal Palace, London, everybody knows architecture is not a plastic art, but the engineering of material life. And here material should be understood in the broadest possible sense as a source of idea and effect. This first building who basically gives the material steel to the building और इससे इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन चालू हुआ जहां लोगों ने स्टील को यूज करना शुरू किया. स्टील इज वेरी और इसमें बहुत सी पॉसिबिलिटीज है. हमने एक बहुत छोटा सा काम किया. ये घर के बाहर एक आउट हाउस नहीं है, एक ऑफिस है उनका और फुल्ली फैब्रिकेटेड रेज फ्रॉम फ्लोर, नीट, वेरी स्मॉल ऑफिस. इसको पूरा स्टील में बनाया and luxury. Architecture should speak of its time and place, but yearn for timelessness. This watch is Astronomia's solar zodiac tourbillon. It's geniusly created. Every single part is meticulously handcrafted, and its every part is moving. A number of watchmakers given their months to make this single piece. We have designed this house. यही भावना मैं खोजता हूं मेरे काम में कि मैं उतना meticulously काम कर पाऊं. For us, luxury in the creation, as in the effort put in by our team to create something extraordinary, which stands the test of time and thinks of joy forever. To achieve perfection and timelessness is luxury for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kshitij, for a wonderful presentation, and I believe your work reflects the nature of you, how you are. That is absolutely reflected in your work. Now I would request Architect Nupur. So, Shweta, are you?
Yes, sir, ready. Ma'am, would you like the presentation first or the videos?
The presentation first.
Okay. Give me a second. Yes, it's visible to all.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay.
Thank you. Nupur ma'am, over to you.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm architect Nupur Jain, co-founder of Ravi Nupur Architects. Today, I'll be sharing with you some projects from my architectural journey. Next slide, ma'am. This is one of my commercial retail store named Fashion Hub. It's located in amidst the busy streets of Jodhpur. The interiors were designed maximizing sustainability using easily recyclable materials like wooden logs, recyclable frames, and ropes and bamboo. In this store, we have segregated it in 3 floors. The ground floor has a ready-made section. The basement is the tailoring section, and the mezzanine floor, it's for the fabric area. We can see the first image, that is the mezzanine floor. In this image, we have used recyclable old frames for the ceiling, and that is used in combination with panel lights and some vibrant colors. The second image is the changing area, which we have created in mango wood. The third image is we have created a hanging display using a recyclable old cart's wheel. And in the fourth image, we can see the ceiling with random recyclable frames. Next slide, ma'am. Talking about the illumination design for this project, we have used very innovative materials like bamboo, wooden logs, random frames, and mango wood. In the first image, we can see half-cut bamboo. They are used in combination with warm white light to create an interesting play of light and shadow. Then we have designed a separate lighting in the second and third image. It's from mango wood. Then we can see a wooden log with the combination of panel light. This is for the ceiling. Next slide, please. Innovation with ropes and bamboo. In the mezzanine floor, we have created partitions, hanging mirror partitions for the customers to look in. And these are created with jute ropes, bamboo, and wood and mirror. We can see an image of the cash counter. We have used bamboo and ropes in this also. Next slide, please. This is one of our residence for which we have done architecture, interiors, and landscape. The basic highlights for this residence was illumination design. We have used a genre of lights in this residence. Next slide, please. In the first image, we can see it's a living cum drawing room. We have used warm white strip lights in the ceiling. And we can see a magnetic track light in the ceiling in the right side of the warm white strip lights, and COBs. And on the back side of the sofa, we have used profile lights in combination with upholstery. In the second image, it's a living area. In the ceiling, we have used warm white strip lights in combination with COBs in the ceiling. We can see a section, detailed section of play of COB lights and rope lights. And the second is a decorative light section. And the first one is a linear light, recessed linear light panel.
Ma'am, you have to be a bit fast, please.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Next slide, please.
Yeah.
We have used concealed handrails with profile lights in the staircase, and profile lights in the staircase as well. In the bedrooms, we have used linear lights, task light for the study area, decorative light chandeliers. Next slide, please. These are the images of the interiors. In the kitchen area, we have used profile lights in combination with lacquered glass, black glass. And in the bedroom, we have used CNC in combination with the strip light. Next slide, please. This is one of the residence we have designed for two brothers. In this, talking about the design conception, we have divided the whole block in two axes. Then the front areas we have kept as the open spaces, and the rear ones we have used as the built-up areas. Talking about the vertical distribution and connectivity, we have kept semi-public and private spaces, public spaces on the ground floor, private on the first floor, and private leisure spaces on the second floor. And we have created a connectivity from the second floor for both the houses. Next slide, please. These are the exterior facade for the residence, in which we have used Jodhpur stone as the base material, and in combination with the HPL, metal, granite, and some Italian stones. Next slide. These are the patio design for the exterior of the residence. We have divided the whole exterior space in landscape and hardscape area. So this one is the hardscape portion. Next slide, please. These are the views for the landscape area. Next slide. This is a small presentation of the residential interior. This is the living area. Next slide, please. These are the interiors of the bedrooms in the house. Next slide, please.
Nupur ma'am, a bit loud.
Yeah. These are the informal gathering spaces that we have seen in the video. Next slide, please. These are the home theaters, 2 home theaters we have designed for both individual blocks. Next slide, please. This is one of the residents that we have designed for a busy doctor couple family. These are the external facade views of this. Next slide, please. This is the video of the fountain we have created in the patio area. The basic concept of this residence was to connect, create a connect between mankind and environment via the transition spaces. And the exterior facades we have kept as bold edges using massing and materials. Next slide, please. These are the layout plans for the residence, and we have tried to create landscape views from each and every corner of the residence. These are a few landscaping images shown at the bottom. Next slide, please. These are the living areas. Next slide, please.
Just a second.
Nupur ma'am, you have to wrap up the session, please.
Yeah,
It's
these are
already
the
11 minutes. Yeah.
interior
Sorry.
images. We have a grand kitchen and with a sitting space over here. Next slide, please. These are the landscape images in which we have used landscape, hardscape, and water body in combination. Next slide, please. This is a visual store, interior furnishing store that we have designed for a young entrepreneur in Jodhpur. The basic highlights of the store were material, textures, and finishes, which we have used in the store to create a visual experience for the customers. Next slide, please. We have used each and every material for the interiors that are for the selling purpose. Like these, the wooden flooring, carpet, artificial green wall, customized wallpaper, stretch ceiling. These are all for the selling purpose that we are used. The COB lights and the acrylic ceiling lights are used to create an industrial theme. Next slide, please. These are the interior images. The panel behind the cash counter, we have used a green wall and wooden blocks to which acts as a catalog, visual catalog for the customers. And these are the interior images. We have used a profile light in the entrance area. Next slide. Next slide, please. Can we go back? Can we go back to the previous slide?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, this one. This is the renovation and refurbishment that we have done for a Haveli in Jodhpur. This was one of our initial projects. The basic idea of the renovation was for preserving the physical artifacts and intangible attributes that were inherited from the past generation, and we had to maintain it for the benefit of the future generation. So you can see some traditional locks. We have used them as a display panel in the courtyard, and these are very interesting locks, which generally are opened from 3 keys. Next slide, please. In the interiors, we have used traditional turbans to create the curtains. We can see a panel over here of all the artifacts hanging. This is the courtyard space, and we have created a display of all the elements that were available in the house previously. This macha, which we call it as in Hindi, this we have created on site with using hand-dyed fabric, hand-dyed those cloth. Next slide, please.
Nupur, sorry to interrupt. I think we have to now wrap this up. It's already been 13 minutes or more than. Shweta ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Please make me host so that I can share the last speaker's presentation.
Yeah. Sure, sir. So may I stop sharing this?
Yeah, please stop.
Okay, okay, sir.
We have to be in time limit. That is the basic idea behind this session.
So you can go ahead and share, please.
Yeah. So, sir, Sunil sir, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready, and thank you, IIA. Basically, this is a Pecha Kucha concept-based series, right? So I'm going to present it in perfectly 20 slides in 20 seconds, and I'll be talking about vocal for local only. Okay, so it'll be like a very fast journey. So you may have to grab a few points and my request is that by the time this starts, you can just fire in the chat box what you feel, what components you like, and then we can have a discussion on that post the presentation. Yeah, I think my time starts now. Nobody says my time starts now. You can start. There will be 20 seconds for each slide, 20 slides each. Okay, 27 slides in the whole bunch. So can we have them?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can just start and then I'll begin.
Yeah, it's already on here, sir.
No, but I don't see anything, sir. I don't see anything on the screen.
You cannot see anything on screen.
No, I just see that vocal for local Sunil Ladda folder.
Yeah. So you want the next slide?
You'll have
Sir,
to.
we cannot see the presentation. We can just see the folder.
Okay.
No,
Not
sir.
yet, not yet. So try to minimize this. Maybe it's open in the background.
What can you see right now?
The folder, vocal for local folder, sir.
Oh my God. Acha. So, I mean,
You have to open up the presentation first and then share screen.
just a minute, sir. So I'll first stop sharing.
Stop
Okay,
sharing,
done.
open up the presentation and then share screen.
Right.
Sunil ji, you've got the correct of the.
Mukul sir, now can you see the screen?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can maximize it.
Yeah, Mukul sir, you were saying something.
Yeah, I said you got the correct spirit.
Yeah, okay, fine. So thank you. So this is vocal for local. So as you see, we need to incorporate many things to understand what is local. So I'll be talking about terminologies, spaces, components, colors, materials, and all this in just coming 20 slides. It's going to be a big challenge. So now what is local? Imagine yourself to be at Mars, okay? And I'm ordering something material from Mars. Is that local or imported? If you are in US, I'm ordering from Udaipur. Is it local or imported? I'm ordering for 200 kilometers. Is it local or imported? You would need to define a scale to. My local is just 200 kilometers. So when I design local, I use these terminologies which are used all around in my area. How many of you know what is rata? Rata pata hai aapko kisi ko? So to know what is local, you need to understand, you need to know these terminologies of construction very well. And that way you will connect to that last man, jo labor ko hai, and he'll work for you. If you say, yaar, aanto mat bana de. So he will understand, he will know what you want. So this is the first thing, note down, okay? Understand the terminologies of the area in local languages. It's very important to develop a connect with that local language, with the local guy, because he's the last one. Aapka samajdar aadmi nahi, he's the last one. He's the so-called unskilled person who doesn't know the language, what you are going to write in the drawings or what you have to. I think the slides have stopped, sir. Okay. So maybe you can count down and then start. Okay. So you need to understand what is Sawal and all. Okay. What is the implication of planning in and understanding the local architecture of planning? We designed one hotel in which the passage is a curvilinear one. Okay. And we took it from Ghantagar ka street. You can see that Ghantagar street. So now when you do curvilinear passages, not like conventional one straight line, dono side hotel, dono side rooms mein, you get a very special space which has lot of illusions, lot of transitions. And here we designed it like a dhani. Okay. So the room is not a rectangular shape. It is irregular and all rooms are different. So you have different experience with nature, with raw rustic materials, and add to it courtyards and water body and whatnot. So we just borrowed it from dhani. So this is what natural local influence is. This is an award-winning project for us. Okay. It is near Kumbhalgarh. So what we thought was, let us grab something from the buttress of the fort, and we designed this hotel with small toady details. We enlarged it and these became the elements of a big facade. So this is what we want to look into. Another very good feature which we missed out, our local architecture always has expandability. This is one project where we had, it was a second home and then they wanted to convert it into a home. So we wanted to add more rooms and then it looks like a synchronized one as if it was planned for. So this is one feature from local architecture needs to be learned, expandability. So then you can expand in terms of creating spaces like balconies, spaces like semi-open spaces attached to it, and even some open spaces attached to your planning, so that you can expand the spaces, feel the spaces more, and as and when time permits, as per the time present. Okay. You can create spaces inside also with traditional local architecture in context. You have Gokhra here, okay? Then you have chalk here. Now, when you see here, there is a very interesting pattern on the floor, if you see. Okay, I'll just go to the other slide and then talk about it. But you need to grab these traditional elements and mold them accordingly. Add a special feature of yours, like, okay, we have a staircase, we have some traditional artifacts. We had a small courtyard added into the toilet. Okay, again, borrowed from traditional architecture. And the whole thing is celebrating by itself. It is not just creating space, but we are celebrating the spaces when we add these elements. Very good example of how to opt for local materials for high-end so-called 5 stars and 4 stars. Okay, here we use तेंदू खेड़ा. आपने सुना कि नहीं सुना मुझे नहीं पता. हम Italian में लिया, हमने लिया तेंदू खेड़ा. We took this crazy pattern. It has those aunties inserted inside. Traditional architecture, but done in a 5-star hotel. You see that flooring pattern. Nimbada stone, variety मिलता है. We use the variations as a design feature. And here in this lobby, where we use local material like हमारा आगरिया and Kadapa, you have an art here. Escher बहुत पसंद है मुझे. So Escher का Indianized version we did. Okay, to that level, artists thought of creating a local thing. So you see this, everything is created and curated from here. Okay, now when we do this traditional chessboard pattern, so हमने सोचा क्यों नहीं इसको अलग किया जाए? Why take the same thing? So we gave a slight angle and kink to the whole thing, and you can see in the slide how it looks. It creates a very dramatic effect. And the same thing in the bedroom, we have variation wali tile on the side, and we have uniform on the flooring stone ka in the center. Shadows are very important. Design for the shadows. Okay. Shadows are भगवान ने आपको फ्री में एक पैटर्न दिया जो डायनामिक है. आप कोई इनले बनाएंगे तो परमानेंट है, बट व्हेन यू क्रिएट विद शैडोज दे मूव विद टाइम. ओके, सो दिस इज समथिंग आपके जयपुर में तो बहुत ज्यादा है. यू लर्न फ्रॉम इट एंड वी ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट, वी ट्राई टू प्ले विद शैडोज, वी डिजाइन शैडोज इन आर्किटेक्चर and then you see the connect that it has with the people. It's going to be an amazing journey when you design with shadows. I think the slide is stuck. Slide is stuck, sir. Okay, so now आप सबने देखा होगा, you know केलेडी होता है where जो मिट्टी का तवा होता है जहाँ पे रोटी बनती है. Okay, we use those elements and to create a RCC slab. Okay, RCC slab, how it looks when during the casting and how it looks from the inside now today. Okay, so such element rat trap bond use करिए. It is good for climate. Why you want to go for local is it shows lot of respect to climate, and that is the aim, and that is the sole target of doing architecture. That use local materials, use that technology, and use it. Rather implement it or designs. Okay, can we go to the next slide? Yeah, see this, when you see the center part, triangular part of this is a skylight. Okay, it is not just a skylight of a courtyard. Okay, we brought in nature into this. So when it rains, धूप आती है, धूप रोक दिया, but बरसात आएगी तो क्या करेंगे? When it rains, this courtyard has a waterfall in the center. Okay, so the water comes in, you can feel the water. आपको disturb भी नहीं कर रहा है, but it becomes a feature, and then add to landscape and all. Now we have many artists coming in because of this COVID. Okay, let us respect and grab those artists now. Okay, so we use this traditional element like metal cover, like stone jalis, like carving jalis. We can create enormous possibilities and details. अगली बार आप हैंडल खरीदने जाएंगे ना, तो do not think of buying that brass or copper handle. Think of curating or creating your own using my local artisan. Okay, and that is the best way to respect local and best way to respect हमारे artisans, and that's the way to move on in architecture today. Go local and use these art forms. Slide अटक गया sir. Use these art forms to curate and create your design elements. That is what the mantra is. There are so many things I am talking, but then you need to grab one of them. अगर एक भी पकड़ में आता है तो we can create wonders out of that. Can we go to the next slide, sir? Slide. Sir, slide.
Gaurav sir? I think he's frozen. I'll just
Lost his internet connection right now. But
okay, fine. I'll continue. No problem, sir.
You continue. Perfect.
So these local artisans like आपका जो ठीक काट का हो गया. You have so many carving guys. You have so many painting करने वाले people whom you can use those finishes those elements in your door design, in your flooring, in your paneling, do use them rather than using a leatherite kind of thing that we get from somebody, some place where we don't know, which has no connect to us. So my sole aim of going across with this journey of being vocal for local, and is to not to inspire you, but it is to trigger you to choose one small that element that has triggered you, and then take it forward and extrapolate it in your design and details. So that way you can really achieve wonder. I have done it. I just showcased some of my work, and with respect to attempting for creating a space for local architectural skill and local talent and local art into architecture. So this was what I wanted to convey. So get yourself triggered. That is what the aim is. Okay. Is Gaurav sir back? No, he's not.
I don't think so. I don't think so he's back. But it
I'm
doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm done with my talk, sir. And you can fire in questions. And the sole aim was to trigger you to choose local. I have been doing this for past many years, right from space design. Space matlab Hawaii Jahaz wala space nahi. Space design means spaces, creating spaces. Space to the last detail that we do, that is like handle and knob and all those things. Go and try and do that one in every project, and then you really would have done wonders. I'm pretty sure on that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil ji. That was amazing. I mean, that was really a great presentation, right bang on the topic, and you actually spoke a lot of things, and you showed a lot of things. So they did give a very interesting perspective of the work and the kind of works you've been doing. So I will be waiting for this Gaurav to join, but before he joins, I would like to just quickly sum up all our four speakers. Gaurav, are you online?
Yes.
Yeah. Great,
I'm
great.
so sorry.
Good to see you back. Good to see you back. So I was just saying that I'll quickly sum up all our four speakers for the benefit of those who joined a little late on the show. And I would like to thank all our speakers. Architect Anushri, she showed a wonderful hospital. And if I'm not wrong, Kelwada is on the way to Kumbhalgarh, right? So
No, it is not that Kelwada, sir. It is not that Kelwada.
Not that Kelwada. Okay.
No. It is not that Kelwada.
Udaipur architects will not let a quota person take Kelwada near Udaipur. Don't worry. Sunil is very correct, and he is very sure about it.
I see. I can see that.
I'm sure. Yeah.
For example, we will not allow Sunil to take a Chaksu project.
Okay. So this is about local. Okay. Now being local is got its own advantages, that means. So Anushri, thank you so much about your project, and that modern Jali facade was really excellent. It was really a new thing to be seen, and the way you've been working with RCC is amazing. And Kshitij, of course, I love your work. I personally always admired the kind of work you've done. And you reminded me of D.K. Ching, Architectural Form, Space and Order, right? And you have actually been following it in your practice, and no wonder such wonderful designs have been coming up from your end. And we thank you for joining us out here on this platform. Architect from Jodhpur, it is amazing to see how you've been using materials which are recyclable. See, out here, our program is all about this. We want to learn from you. It doesn't matter if we are senior or junior, that is irrespective. All of us have something to teach each other. All of us have something to learn from each other. And this is the beauty of this program, Vocal on Local. We all want to learn from each other. And we want to make our fraternity, our Rajasthan architecture fraternity, very, very strong and better in their own works. So the kind of, I was impressed by the way you talked about light. And the way shadows you've been, highlighting. And this is something very interesting. I mean, especially in interiors. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. And of course, lastly, I'll come to Sunilji. Sunilji, you really touched one chord of my heart, and that is local artisans. I personally have been telling everybody that my project, now this is a little about me, that I forcefully induct a local artisan in my project, be it anything. I tell my clients, you have to involve an artist in your project. That is our job. An architect's job is to ensure that our artists are not left behind. They should be involved in our projects. And that's one thing which you put, and I really like the way you put it forward. There's some visuals which I saw, and I could actually make out which artisan has been working out there. Another thing which you touched was Nimba Heda. Nimba Heda is my favorite. And if you've seen some of my projects,
Yes, yes.
आपने देखा होगा Nimba Heda, I've used a lot. I love it. I mean, there was a time when you could actually order for Nimba Heda and they would only charge you for the truck charges.
Yes, yes.
They would say, please, ये जो cut piece है ना, ये फालतू में पड़ा हुआ है. We are sick and tired. So they would actually give you the rough stones at the cost of the truck bhada. And the most important thing, and especially for all the young architects, you mentioned one very, very important thing, that we have to speak and understand and learn the local language. Sood Saval hame samajhna hai ki Sood Saval. We cannot talk about plumb and line to a contractor or a mason. I mean, he'll get confused. What are you trying to say? And these facts are there, that every area has its own specific word for a specific item. So this is something which all of us have to work on our vocabulary. And probably this is the first time in any of our programs that somebody has actually touched this thing. Vocabulary is very, very important. And all of us, I'm sure, in fact, I used to speak with Ravi Gupta ji, one of our senior most architects, and he used to also stress on this fact that please talk in Hindi. मतलब हिंदी में बात करो ताकि हमारे मुंह से वो शब्द निकलें जो हम साइट पे बोलना चाहते हैं, समझाना चाहते हैं. वो उसी तरीके का काम हमें अल्टीमेटली उस आखिरी आदमी से हमें काम निकलवाना है.
Yes, मैं और डीप जाता हूँ सर. I talk in Mewadi with my masons and karigars and connected. I mean, it's so great about it. Okay, the fact that they feel so connected, तो हमारे लिए कुछ भी करेंगे. उनको लगता है ये मेरा अपना आदमी है. That's it.
अभी आप मारवाड़ी, आप मेवाड़ी की बात कर रहे हो. अभी आप ज्ञानेंद्र से मारवाड़ी सुन लोगे तो आप हैरान रह जाओगे. ये हमारे चेयरमैन साहब मारवाड़ी में चालू हो गए ना, तो फिर अब I'll just hand over the mic to him. Let him speak for 15 minutes in Marwadi.
So when I have projects from Ganganagar to Bikaner to Udaipur to Alwar. So when I go to Ganganagar, I speak in Punjabi because they understand Punjabi better. And when we come to Jaipur, you have to speak like local. Kshitij will agree with me. We have to use different slang in Jaipur. So yeah, it's always interesting and you're right, they consider you their own actually. When you speak local dialect, local language, you feel connected and they also feel connected and they are actually kind of empowered, I would say. They feel good about it. So yeah, it's a good idea.
Sir, you are still talking like Rajasthan. Okay, I have worked in Chennai and then I used to talk in Tuta Futa, rest of is all my gestures, and Tuta Futa Tamil, and I could get my things done so well. So this is a very important aspect which we miss out maybe. Okay, enough.
But I
Can
think
we take the question answer session? I think after so many good presentation, I think Gaurav, do you have good questions?
Yeah, Mukulji has been tracking that.
I think we'll take very few questions. We've already shot over our time of 6 o'clock, right? But quick questions. We have one from Monica Bhatnagar. Very nice question for Nupur, because she noticed that you have played with a lot of material and lighting elements in your projects. So can you tell us more about the natural light connectivity that can create more value to a space. So what would you like to say about that?
Yes, definitely. Natural lighting is very important part. For basically, I think not every project. If we talk of retail interiors, we need some kind of artificial lighting more. But definitely for the residences, we require natural lighting. And in our
Wonderful.
projects, we have a lot of natural lighting and open spaces, and courtyards and landscape also. Yeah.
So that means what you're trying to say is that besides artificial lighting, which is definitely a requirement of a retailer, you're also, in fact, an architect. Now we're talking about in general. Architects should be providing natural light also to enhance the experience within a space. Another question regarding interiors, and I would like Kshitij to take this. That, how are architects and the interior community in general helping to give an opportunity to Indian-based products? I'm just shortening the question because I've understood what he's wanting to say. Indian-based products, how are we encouraging local manufacturers? Kshitij, how are you doing it in your practice?
सर मैं जैसा मैंने बताया कि मैं चीज़ों को पहले इंस्पायर होता हूँ, फिर उनसे डिज़ाइन करना शुरू करता हूँ. तो जितने भी अभी सर ने, सुनील सर ने, सभी आर्टिसंस की बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत लगाव है उन लोगों से जो आर्ट के लिए समर्पित हैं, और मैं उन चीज़ों को पहले पसंद करता हूँ और फिर उनको इनकॉर्पोरेट करता हूँ, ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस करता हूँ कि ये चीज़ें हम यूज़ करें, और बहुत ही अच्छा इसका रिस्पांस मुझे मिला है.
मतलब तुम ये कहना चाहते हो कि जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें इटली या चाइना से लाना पड़े. हमारे इंडिया में भी बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स या लोकली अपने राजस्थान में इतने मटेरियल हैं जिनसे चीज या इंटीरियर्स अपने अच्छे लग सकते हैं. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू वांट टू से. एग्जैक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. सुनील सर, आर यू देयर?
या वेरी मच.
आपके लिए बड़ा जबरदस्त क्वेश्चन पूछा है किसी ने. इनफैक्ट इट्स मोनिका भटनागर अगेन. दैट how do you make these spaces connected with human senses in your project? So the sensory perception, how do you sensory perception with your architectural and interior works?
Okay, you want a brief or a long reply? Up to you.
No, brief, please.
So,
I'll your presentation.
Before starting off this session, before we started presenting, Gaurav sir ने पूछा कि HFE क्या है? Okay. So HFE is basically human factor engineering. Okay, human factor engineering means what? Like you design an office, okay, but you are asked to put in 21 people, 21 वर्कस्टेशन आपने लगा दिया. But क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि वो टॉयलेट के पास बैठने वाला का हालत क्या होगा? Did you ever think of that? Did you mean it goes to all, including me? Okay, so that is human factor engineering. AC लगा दिया हमने कैलकुलेट किया कि okay, requirement is 2.1 ton. बट जो सबसे पास बैठा है उसकी तो मतलब आई एम सॉरी फॉर यूजिंग दिस वर्ड, उसकी तो हत्या हो गई, उसको डायरेक्ट थ्रो मिल रहा है, बट लास्ट वाले को मिल ही नहीं रहा है. सो हाउ डू वी एंश्योर दिस? ओके, आपका टॉयलेट अगर आपकी सीट से दूर होगा तो यू विल नॉट विश टू गो देयर रेगुलरली. दैट अफेक्ट्स योर हेल्थ एंड मस्कुलोस्केलेटल डिसऑर्डर्स तैयार हो जाता है आपके लिए. सो सच फैक्टर्स आर ह्यूमन फैक्टर इंजीनियरिंग थिंग्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाई to this question I have referred to human factor engineering is architecture is all about human factor engineering first. Okay, इसीलिए sensory things क्या है? I seek dynamism in my patterns. Okay, how do you get dynamism? LED लगा दूं और मैं display कर दूं? नहीं. So मैंने धूप को use किया and as and when the धूप moves, I have my pattern changing its place as well as the form also. So is it not appealing my senses? Yes, it is. So I am taking care of all those elements that can connect you दिल से, तो आपका सब सेंसेस को ट्रिगर करेगा, सब सेंसेस को वो सेटिस्फाई करेगा. एंड दिस इज व्हाट ह्यूमन फैक्टर इंजीनियरिंग इज ऑल अबाउट. आप देखेंगे हमारे ट्रेडिशनल स्पेसेस में कोर्टयार्ड आया कहाँ से? बिकॉज हमारा क्लाइमेट है, हम पढ़ते आए, बट नेवर अटेम्प्टेड टू डू इट. सर, इवन अ स्मॉलेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट विल हैव अ स्मॉल स्काईलाइट एंड अ कोर्टयार्ड. छोटा सा ही होगा, बट देयर विल बी अ कोर्टयार्ड to support this claim. Okay, so make sure.
I think that's the spirit. That's the actual spirit. We should not try to act different every time. I mean, we are all Rajasthanis. We live in Rajasthan, and we should celebrate Rajasthan in our projects. I totally with you on this. Anushri, one last question to you, and then we'll quickly sum up or close up our session. You're in Kota, and I mean, all of us know that Kota is basically based on rock. So, what are the challenges you're facing in Kota because of this factor?
Yeah, actually it's on rock, but here we see lots of difference in the profile of the soil. Somewhere in, I hope you are able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Audible? Yeah.
Yes, you're audible.
So in some areas it's a rock. So हम dig करते हैं तो 1 feet या 2 feet, and we get a hard rock. So we need not go further. लेकिन हमारे पास waterlogged areas भी बहुत हैं. Being in Kota and having a very Chambal river, we have Jawan Nagar and Talwandi areas. These are waterlogged. So sometimes we go, and Bara Road, near Bara Road, the soil is black cotton soil. So we have to go for piles. So we have a mixed bag of landforms over here. So as per the site conditions, we have to think about it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. I'll close the question and answer session out here. Gaurav, I'd like you to take over and do the honors.
I think we ran quite late of time at 6:15, whereas we generally wrap up by 6:05, and that's the spirit we should carry on in further sessions as well. So I'll quickly put my word of thanks to entire team of Nippon Paint, Nitesh ji, Shweta madam, and Shweta ma'am. And Shweta ma'am, now please help me in doing the honor to present our e-mementos to the speakers. To start with Anushri ma'am. Thank you, Anushri ma'am. I think there's a gray strip on my screen. Is it on my screen or everyone's? Yeah.
No, now it's okay. Now it's okay.
Thank you so much, Anushri ma'am,
Thank you very much
for being so kind to be a panelist today. Next slide, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Kshitij Manu. It was a very classy and stylish presentation. And
Thank you, boss.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to be a panelist. Next slide, please. Nupur, a very young and promising architect from Jodhpur. Thank you so much, Nupur. And last but not the least, thank you, Sunil Litta sahab. It was a very crisp and bank session.
These are certificates which we shall be taking hard copies and sending it over to you soon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I just quickly take one of the most. Shall I go with quiz or shall we leave it, Mukul boss?
No. Please don't. Everybody's waiting for you.
Okay.
A large number of audience waiting for you.
Okay. Right. So, as a custom, we'll come to the quiz part of today's session. Can you see the screen?
Yes, we can.
Perfect. So, quiz number 120620, that's 12th June 2020. It was the last time correct answers, and I have already disclosed these answers, and we have even disclosed the winners. So, this was the answer and the winners. So,
and I hope everybody gets to see it. Everybody gets to see those.
Yeah. The answer was Deeg Palace in Deeg of Bharatpur, Gagron Fort at Jhalawad, and Deosevnath Temple at Dungapur. And the first three fast fingers were Agid Rashi Jain, Agid Kapil Sachdeva, and Deva Sharma from Udaipur, and two students. So today's quiz is this. Can you identify this fort?
This is interesting.
Yeah.
Yes.
And recently, to give you a hint, recently I've seen this fort in the movie Love Aajkal, Part 2.
Yes, a lot of shootings.
So you have to identify this fort. Number 2, you have to identify this palace. And number 3, you have to identify this temple. Now,
and place.
Now the common thing between all these three pictures, this fort, this palace, and this temple, is that all the three structures, these three monuments belong to Rajasthan, number one. And this is an example of haunted temple, a haunted palace, and a haunted fort. So, but I must give you a clue. It's not Bhangar for sure. So you have to guess all the three right. Number one, 3 early birds will be rewarded as earlier. Correct answers will be showcased to you on coming Sunday. And please mention your name and address for sure, because last time also we didn't get the address, the postal addresses. And send in your entries to iiarajasthan@gmail.com. I think everyone must have gone through the images. There's no need to say them again, but just to brief you. Number one, a palace, a haunted fort, a haunted palace, and a haunted temple. That's all from this side. Stay at home, stay safe, love you all. As always, entire executive team is ready to listen to hear you, your suggestions, your comments, and please take care. I will request all the panelists to give a smile on count of 3 so that we can have a digital selfie. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much.
All right.
Over and out.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.